Or if they need to a bit more work which you can't do there, then we bring them into the works here and repair the coaches. There's an engine having a brake box replaced at the moment, and there's another one with the actual vacuum system on the braking system.
Robinson's as well about using their side up. I've made it quite introducing.
So this is a 7 plank like we have in Peak Forest and a few other places. It's kind of big. Bigger than you expect it to be anyway. Fart gas. Yeah, fart gas. G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with a channel subscriber.
Hello.
How are you?
Well, I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Oh, that's good. And you are Londospark.
Yes.
Very
Well
cool.
remembered.
Well, I try hard.
Yeah, I don't.
I wasn't that well remembered because at one point I thought you made mods, if you remember, and it's actually a different one.
In fairness, I contemplated making mods.
Well, it was close then.
Yeah, I've thought about making scenarios.
Yeah.
That's
So,
a mod.
what got you into trains?
Growing up as a kid, I was always into a certain little blue engine, you know, the standard kind of thing. Went on holiday to Wales a lot, ended up at the Festiniog Railway, and really just sort of got interested in that. Also, a lot of my holidays were on canal boats, and in the UK, wherever there's a canal, there's usually a railway not too far away.
That's because they're flat.
Well, not only that, but, you know, the canals were shipping things where they wanted to go, and the railways went, we can do that better, so let's build one alongside.
Yeah, let's take your business.
Yeah.
That sadly is how railways kind of worked. Greedy old men. So I think you talked about Talathin earlier?
Yeah, love it down there. Very fortunate in that my partner enjoys it as well, so we go on annual holidays to one or two of their, the Anything Goes gala, really.
Excellent. What's your favourite loco there?
Number 4, because I live about a mile or so from where it was built.
Excellent. And you know my favourite's Dolgog.
Yeah, I know you've been on the show of Dolgog. You've got to love them all, haven't you?
They're all pretty good. I even like the purple one, Talathin. Well, actually, it's Tallylin, isn't it?
I've heard this.
It's the exact same spelling, but the railway's Talathin and the locomotive is Tallylin.
So what's the lake?
Don't ask.
I think the lake is Talathlin.
Probably.
I've got a 50-50 shot. If I'm wrong, this bit could be cut out.
No, I think it's probably right because I've actually heard the railway called Talathin, Talaclin and various others, so
Yeah.
it's just whatever name you want, probably.
Yeah, it'll do.
Yeah. When I was firing on Dolgok, at each station they hand you the token and the fireman has to read it out or the driver won't go on. And that went fine until we got to Abergwynnollen because I'm looking at this word on the token going, what is that?
Yeah, I can imagine. Did they make you read it out just for devilment?
They did make me, yes. But they accepted Aber eventually.
That's pretty much what they say a lot of the time down there, I think.
Yeah. It was on the condition that on the next trip I did actually say Abergwynnollen.
And did you say Abergwynnollen?
I did.
Excellent.
I can still say it.
Even better.
Yeah, so we're here at, where are we? Highley on the Severn Valley Railway.
Yes.
We've ridden up from Kidderminster and visited the engine shed here, which unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, it's full of a craft fair. And I can hear our train coming, so we'll wrap this up relatively quickly.
That sounds like a plan.
We're about to jump on a diesel to go to the other end of the line at Bridge North. Is it Brig North or Bridge North?
Bridge North, I think.
Yeah, could be. It's spelt without one of the letters. But
I think
anyway.
it's spelt without the E, but
Yeah.
I just presume there's a bridge and it's north of somewhere.
Yeah. So it's it's a fun thing to do if you haven't supported your local heritage railway by either buying a ticket and riding on it or volunteering. You should, because you're in the UK. There's millions of them. And if you're in Australia, we've got about 10. So go find one. Alrighty. Well,
Yeah.
good to have you on the channel.
Thank you very much for having me.
Quick little interview, and we'll get back on the train. So see you later.
See you later.
We played a game.